Swagbucks redemption history problems usually happen when your account activity does not sync correctly, a reward status has not updated, or you are viewing information from the wrong account. By the end, you'll know why your Swagbucks redemption history may look incorrect, what to check first, and how to troubleshoot missing or inaccurate redemption details. Section 1 is understanding why redemption history can look wrong. Swagbucks records your rewards and redemption activity through your account, so the history shown in the app or website depends on accurate account syncing. If a redemption does not appear correctly, start by checking that you are signed into the same Swagbucks account you used when requesting the reward. Using a different email address or login method can make your activity appear missing because the redemption may be connected to another account. Next, refresh your account information by closing the app or browser and signing back in. Check your internet connection because account details need to load from Swagbucks servers before updated redemption information appears. Section 2 is checking your redemption details. Open your redemption history and compare the information shown there with any confirmation message or email you received after requesting the reward. Look at the reward type, date, and current status to find the exact detail that does not match. If the redemption is showing a different status, give the system time to update and check again after refreshing your account. Avoid requesting the same reward multiple times while waiting for an update, because duplicate requests can make tracking your activity more confusing. Also check whether you are looking at the correct account profile before making changes. Section 3 is contacting Swagbucks support when the issue continues. Before sending a support request, collect the details connected to the problem. Include the email address linked to your Swagbucks account, the reward you requested, the date of the redemption, and any confirmation information you receive. Add screenshots of the incorrect redemption history if the information displayed does not match your records. Clear details help support understand exactly which redemption needs to be reviewed. The key points are simple. Wrong Swagbucks redemption history is usually connected to account syncing, login confusion, or delayed updates. Checking the correct account, refreshing your session, and comparing confirmation details can help identify the issue. Your next step is signing into Swagbucks, opening your redemption history, and confirming that the account and reward details match your original request. If this guide helped you fix Swagbucks redemption history problems, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.